all and welcome to another video of Corpnce. Today we are gonna see how to learn coding way faster than before with the help of AI. So as a beginner coder trying to learn coding in this current situation where AI can do everything for you, there are three big problems that you can face while learning. The first problem is that you exactly don't know where to start learning. And second, whenever you are writing a code or maybe giving a prompt to AI to get your answers for the code, you have to know that you need to understand what AI is actually giving. The logic should be understood. The beginners actually miss this part and they just get the answers done by the code, but they don't understand the actual logic behind it. And the third important thing is that whatever code you're getting, the working code, just because it is working doesn't mean it is right. You have to get a feedback of the code in order to know if the code is effective or maybe there is a way to simplify the code. So these three things should be maintained, and you can do this with the help of AI itself. And using AI in the right way is the way. So you have decided to learn coding, but you don't know exactly where to start. Let AI guide you in this way. So let's say you open ChatGPT or Cursor and give a prompt saying, I am new to coding and I am a beginner too, and my role, my interest is web developer or a data scientist or whatever you want. So now, depending on your role, you will get the programming language suggested by AI itself, which you can opt for. So maybe there will be a single language, maybe a multiple choices also of programming languages, where you can decide which language to use for your coding. And now that is one of these parts. So now here you understand that AI, asking questions to AI should be better. Better questions is what you have to put forth in order to learn and understand these concepts. So with the help of AI, just single prompt and you will get a complete roadmap of what to be done, maybe for a 30 days, or maybe you can increase the duration of your learning period with the help of AI itself. I told you that asking questions to an AI should be right too. So when I say right, it means that whenever you are trying to get an answer from an AI, you actually don't ask the AI exact answer. While learning to code, you just ask the pseudocode from the AI for your problem. So let's say you are having a coding problem and you are actually asking the AI to give me the answer to this particular problem. So this prompt is okay, the AI will be fine, he just needs the answer. But now change the question a little bit and try to ask it see, I have a problem here. I don't want you to give the answer to it. Just give me the pseudocode of it. Pseudocode is like the steps to reach the particular answer. It won't give the complete answer to it. It just gives you the map. You have this map and you as a human go to the destination or maybe write the logic for it. So here now you don't miss the logical thinking part. You get stuck, you try to overcome it, you get to use your creativity to get to the answer. That is how you can use AI to push your learning faster and faster. And maybe you do get stuck a lot and you're taking too much time, only then you might ask for some hints or clues or maybe what concept to be used in this particular problem that I'm stuck in. That is how you approach the learning while you're coding with the help of AI. Now as a beginner, you know how to learn coding, where to start to learn coding. Let's see how you can validate your code with the help of AI. Here the beginners, what they do is that while you get the code logic right, let's say with the help of AI, you get the code logic right and you're only using the pseudocode, well and good. But now here what is happening is that you actually miss the part to validate your code completely. You think that just because it's working, it means it is efficient and good. No, it is not efficient. You have to validate your code. You have to find if there are any bugs or a looping hole that can, use a lot of memory than required. So maybe 100 lines of code you have written, but there is only requirement of 50 lines of code, which can be done in a very simple and effective way. So here you can use AI to actually compare your code. Let's see how AI is typing for that particular problem. Let's see the code what AI is giving and compare that with your code. And maybe sometimes it can be better, your code can be way better than what AI is giving. But most of the time as a beginner, I'll tell you, AI can give you better code than yours. So it is totally fine to find it okay, it is giving a way better code, no issues with that. But you have to adapt to it, learn from it. evolve to actual coding. That is how you actually learn forward, like push forward. So here there are many tools of AI that you can use to actually push yourself to learn this coding. So yeah, go check it out and do learn in the right way, and don't let your creativity die. Just because AI is there doesn't mean that you shouldn't think. Now that you know how AI can help you learn coding faster, have you ever wondered how these things are working? Especially Cursor AI. So there is an upcoming webinar from Corpnce where you will understand how these things are working and all the concepts of how your code is being taken by this AI tools. And also, it's not just about using AI, it's about understanding these concepts too. So link is in the description below. So that's all for this video. I hope you found this useful. If it did, do subscribe and let's meet in the next video. Thank you.